Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Oh, I don't have a really busy day today, so I get to experiment with a few things. Let's see how it comes out. Yeah. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Libya. Like I said yesterday, I was looking forward to this meal all week. And it didn't disappoint. I think it's in the running for the recipe of the week. It was good. Let me admit something first. It was a little spicy for me. Actually, Robin, because we were texting last night, she goes, "You were bothered by the spice?" By the heat. It uses cayenne, which is normal for Libya. I might have added just a little too much. Plus, the split jalapenos simmered for 35 minutes, and it still had the seeds. It still had the membranes, and so I know jalapenos aren't hot. Normally. But overall, the flavor, because I remember, if you remember correctly, I built up the spice blend specifically for the dish. And let me get the name out again. Hopefully this is the last time I ever got to say this. Mbaka. It just sounds wrong off the English tongue. Okay, but it's good. Make it straight. Make it the way it's written first. Now, when you see the original recipe, it calls for like 4 pounds of chicken. I reduced it big time because it's just me last night. But it's really good. The spice blend, beautiful. 10 ingredients in that blend, by the way. All right, we're going south to Nigeria. I think south. I get twisted around doing these international. Yeah. All right. The Culinary Expedition is headed to Nigeria, where I am preparing notes. Cornchaff. 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 Let's get to it. And the main ingredient is corn. Now, you can add whatever protein. The original recipe I had called for a smoked meat, so I'm using smoked salmon. Kidney beans. I just happen to have leftover kidney beans from last week. Onion. I'm going to add a carrot per suggestion. I'm going to probably swap out this jalapeno with some serranos. They really want Scotch bonnets and or habaneros. I never do those. Okay. And of course, kosher salt, black pepper. This is avocado oil. I finally replenished my supply. I'm actually going to be looking for palm oil today. Garlic. Gotta love garlic. This has a small spice blend in it compared to yesterday. Cumin, coriander, Hungarian paprika, and yes, my faux from yesterday, cayenne. And a good old sprinkle of cilantro. I love corn. That's what attracted me to this particular dish from Nigeria. Yummy! This might be in the running against the Mbaka, the Liberian dish from yesterday for recipe of the week. I hope you're enjoying the demos. That's kind of what I'm going to be playing with today a little bit. Kind of changing the format a little bit. I need to make them shorter for things like TikTok. For them to be viewed more. We'll see. We'll see what I come up with. All right. So enjoy your Saturday. Weather here in Sutter County, California is supposed to be beautiful for a fall California day. So remember, Food is art. Have a great day. Eat great food. And always, my friends, have fun cooking.